Before we dive in, all the content in this video is for educational purposes and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your due diligence before making any financial decisions. Now, with all of that being said,
let's get this crypto.
Cause I'm bearish. Keep the honey, I've been got the mental, keep bearish. Mama bear mode, bear market tag team. Papa bear money out and trap stash in. Honeycomb baguettes, every market can't reek. Millions I invest while the moon boys sleep. Howling at the bare moon.
call the ambulance, get the EMT, bring the rescue squad. Countless moon boys have been wrecked. We witnessed a catastrophic debacle. Seeing red across the board, over $1 trillion have been liquidated from the cryptocurrency market in just one day. Many altcoins lost over 2-digit percentage figures in the blink of an eye, as the tariff wars grow in tension between the US, Canada, and Mexico. Is this bull market over? Let's find out and get this honey. Looking at the total 3, we have been slowly creeping back to our previous all-time high of $1.13 trillion back in November of 2021. For those of you new, the total 3 is the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. We recently touched all-time high back in November of 2024, and it has been going sideways since then. So is this the end? Or is this the shakeout before the breakout? Let's look back further into the charts. Remember, when in doubt, zoom out. Looking back in December 2017, we had our highest body candle close for altcoins, having a double bottom back in December 2018 and March 2020. It took us 38 months or 1,160 days to break all-time high in February 2021. Now looking at our current cycle, we had our highest body candle close back in November 2021, having a double bottom back in December 22 and June 2023. We recently had a new body candle close, forming a new all-time high this January 2025. We're currently fighting to hover above 975 billion. But the key thing I want to point out is the consistent fact. From November 2021 to our new body candle breakout this past January, it took us 38 months or 1,160 days. Ding, ding, ding. Is this coincidence or by design? This bearish smells orchestrated moves by the power elites at play here. Let's go ahead and check through a few altcoins to see if similar patterns are playing out. Looking at our first altcoin in the 1-month time frame, we have Fetch AI, or Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. Fetch AI has been a tech giant conglomerate, gobbling up other projects these past few years, integrating projects like Ocean Protocol, Singularity Network, AGIX, and Kudos. Being one of the lead DPIN projects, which stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Network, we've been on an 11-month decline since making our all-time high back in March 2024 at $3.48. Suffering an 83% decline, Fetch AI is trying to regain control back at $1.12, which was the all-time high back in September 2021, according to Coinbase. Since having the body candle close this past month in January 2025, we're currently getting pushed to our next support level within the 77 to 70 cent price range. However, this would be considered support on the body candle close of the all-time high of this last bull cycle back in October 2021. This may not be bad after all. Keep holding, Fetch holders. Moving on to our next chart, we have Kaspa on the 1-week time frame. Kaspa has had a massive parabolic run, printing a lot of honey for the Moon Boys. With 120,700% growth since its inception, I doubt Bitcoin will ever do returns like that again. Eat that, Perma Bull Joe. We are currently facing rejection at 18.5 cents with multiple attempts, while the bulls are defending 10 cents. We had a massive sell-off in our current candle, but massive buy pressure came in to continue defending support at 10 cents. If Kaspa can maintain 10 cents by this Sunday night, we will form a dragonfly doji candlestick, a bullish reversal. Touché, bulls. Going through the list of projects, we have Solana, casino of memes for the purest of pure degenerates. Diving into the 1 month time frame, Solana has made an extraordinary recovery, with the previous all-time high in November 2021 at $259. Solana has recovered from a 97% decline, bottom being at $8 from the peak. We managed to revisit the all-time high in November 2024 with a current 2,590% return if you bought the bare bottom, taking us 1,100 days to make another attempt to enter price discovery. By the looks of things, Solana is currently accumulating for the next leg up, or maybe for the next leg down. Stay on your toes, Solana meme degens. Now for the next project, and controversial in the crypto space, XRP. Whether you like them or hate them, XRP Army has made monumental feats, winning the case against the Security Exchange Commission, the SEC, aligning with countless U.S. officials and setting the precedence as the lead tech to replace cross-border payments. Bradley Kent Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple Labs, has subtly been coordinating with the current White House administration to pave the way for themselves to be part of the monetary integration to replace our current legacy system. Heck, they even got India to be the first country to use XRP for oil payments. Just recently, Grayscale filed for spot Solana and XRP ETF with the New York Stock Exchange. The big moves are definitely being made. Here's a critical thought. Could XRP actually prevent World War III? Here's the deal. XRP makes international payments super fast and cheap, potentially stabilizing economies in crisis. An open source ledger means more economic empowerment globally, reducing disparities that lead to conflict. Decentralization might lessen geopolitical tensions, and blockchain's transparency could build trust among nations. But remember, peace is more than just tech. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Diving into the 1 month chart, XRP has finally broken out from the 7-year symmetrical triangle. The bears have lost control, and now XRP is fighting to enter price discovery above the all-time high of $3.40. Even with the recent sell-off, massive buying pressure came in to keep price action above previous all-time high of the body candle close at $2 from back in December 2017. This is playing nicely in tandem with other projects set to hit new highs this year. Digging deeper into the beehive, we have our next project, Stellar Lumens, the least attractive sister of XRP. XLM has been moving under the radar for a while. The founder, Jed McCaleb, has had an interesting background many overlook. He was the co-founder of Ripple Labs, serving as the chief technology officer until he left in 2013. More strange enough, he was the original founder of Mt. Gox in 2010 as a Bitcoin exchange. He sold it to Mark Karpeles in 2011. Though he left, he kept a stake in the company. Jed dodged a bullet selling to Mark before the horrible collapse among Gox of the 850,000 bitcoins lost, resulting in Mark being arrested for embezzlement and manipulating data. Currently, Jed McCaleb is involved in Astera Institute, Voltage Park, Vast Space. A lot of this sounds like a bunch of technology from the movie Interstellar. Anyways, let's look into the chart. Stellar has made a stellar move, no pun intended. With 7 cents being our last bottom back in January 2023, making a 800% jump to our recent peak at 63 cents. Here, on the 1-month chart, you can see we are facing a key area of resistance, facing rejection 3 times at 53 cents. This price point has been the cycle top for Stellar back in January 2018, April 2021, and currently now in November 2024. We are holding key support at 33 cents and must maintain this momentum to make another attempt for the next leg up. Now switching over to address Permabull Joe in the room, the Bitcoin Dominance chart. This hogging piece of dino technology has been holding back our precious altcoins. Looking at the 3-month chart from 2014 to 2016, Permabull Joe was hogging all the honey with Bitcoin until something magical happened. Altcoin season. It was the birth of Lambos and honey for the Moon Boys. Most made a killing, you could be the most illiterate, and even a chimp could make money. Bitcoin faced a catastrophic debacle, with dominance decline in January 2018, settling at 35%. BTC recovered halfway from July 2019 to January 21 at 70% market dominance, but faced the same fate, losing dominance from April 2021 to October 22 at 40%. Now, Bitcoin is currently at 61%, but the question is, will we hold this area of dominance as support? Can altcoins take control and push back down below 60% before April and make that the new resistance? Listen, at the end of the day, time will reveal the outcome. Whether you're a bull or a bear, there's a lot of honey on the line. This concludes tonight's show, so make sure you stay on your toes. Stay vigilant, stay bold, stay tuned for the next episode with Bear Moon Crypto. Thanks for watching. Your favorite bear, the Bear Moon. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification.
Unique verses for unique markets. Ride the resistance, rinse and repeat targets. Nibble on the dip cause I'm bearish. Seek the honey, I've been got the mental, keep bearish. Mama bear mode, bear market tag team. Papa bear money out and trap stash in. Honeycomb baguettes, every market can reek. Millions I invest while the moon boys sleep. Howling at the bear moon, my trade just made you. Honey still coming through and through. And through all of you can fade, bear moon, or you can be made. Either way I'm still eating. All your moon boys, you get wrecked. Said it's a bear moon, and I'm the bearish bear of bears. Said it's a bear moon, and I'm the bearish bear of bears. Said it's a bear moon, bearish bear moon. Don't you wish that you could ride the bear moon? Rug another Luna cause you thought it was a bare moon. It ain't a straight moon unless I'm saying so. Moon, my trade just made you. Honey still coming true and through. All of you can fade or you can be made. It's a bare moon. Either way I'm still eating. All your moon boys, you get wrecked.